Okay, here's the serial number. Here's the guitar I just got out of the box. Right here. Beautiful color, sounds amazing. There's only one problem, unfortunately. Tone knob does not work. This makes a little crackle. It doesn't actually do anything. Sometimes it kind of works for a second, but yep, I need some. This knob works. Everything else is great.